I'm originally from China.
I'm Spanish, based in Madrid.
I'm from Chile, South America.
Welcome to this year's edition of Making Solar Bankable by Solarplaza and FMO.
Well, actually, I have quite high expectations. I think this is a great opportunity to really redefine a couple of things in knowledge, partnerships and leadership.
It's a profound strategic transformation from black to green energy. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is what the global energy transition is all about.
The renewable energy revolution that we have already witnessed is unstoppable, it is irreversible, and it is exponential.
The conference is very well attended. It has a lot of relevant people under the same roof and very efficient.
This conference is amazing. I mean, the facility and the organization are so creative.
Variety of people in the audience. I mean, it's not only developers or contractors or investors or lenders. You find everyone and everything here.
You are now part of this 300 billion outstanding market. You are no longer niche. Who makes the bridges? Financiers and bankers. They need to be the heroes of our age.
It's important to be aware of what's going on here in Europe, because all the development that you make here is going to be applied in South America.
I believe energy is the driving force for economic growth in Africa. There's so much enthusiasm and so much hope to make solar bankable.
The winner of the 2018 Solar Shark Tank pitch competition is the Bikruti Gid Tide Solar Project from Nepal.